The water taxi took us all around the inner waterways of Fort Lauderdale and had a great commentary pointing out all the millionaire houses and sights. Worth every penny. The trip itself was awesome, but the TripAdvisor app/website never emailed my tickets so that I could activate, but the boat operator was very accommodating. And let us continue. BC we had booking number. Easy to get off and on. Boats get around slowly, but it's nice to relax between stops. Reasonably priced. Friendly staff. It was very easy to get on and off at the various stops. We enjoyed learning about the area. It was a great time. Captain Dave and Dan were great. Don's commentary was hilarious and Captain Dave was full of great info. A great way to travel and see the city. 10 tenths. We had 14 people eating at 1:30 p.m.ish after a funeral. The staff were so good, the food was very good, service was excellent, would recommend. It was great seeing a better way to travel to the really good spots in Fort Lauderdale. It was nice to see we didn't need a car to get around. It was great hearing the history of waterway. Water taxi will be the only way we will travel to most spots in the area. We could walk to the pickup location and ride up till 10 p.m. The staff, except for one captain, were friendly and helpful. The boat with the not-so-friendly captain had a woman who was really friendly. She made the trip enjoyable for everyone. We will ride the water taxi every time we come to Ft. Lauderdale. We'll tell our friends about the experience we had and tell them it is worth the money. Very hard seats to sit on if you have a bad back or hip. Recommend bringing a cushion or small pillow if possible. We had a great experience. The captains were funny and entertaining. The ride was smoother and relaxing. We saw so many mansions and learned history. We will definitely be doing it again. Relaxing and fun boat tour with options to jump on and off for touring and shopping. Tour guide describes some of the beautiful houses on the Intracoastal. Very nice crew on every boat. Great way to see a lot of the area. It was helpful to get their recommendations and learn about the area. Andrew and Heather were awesome on our trip. Heather gave us all a lot of great information about the houses and yachts that we saw on the Intercoastal, and Andrew was professional in his navigating of the boat in choppy water. Well worth the price and would not hesitate to do it again. 5-star to both of them. It was so much fun and Captain Chuck was so funny and informative. It was a wonderful way to spend 3 hours.